Hello friend, this is Vinesh. So out of the box, Microsoft Edge is set as a default PDF viewer in Windows 11. You can see that if I open particular PDF file, it opens automatically in Edge browser. In case inbuilt PDF viewer of Edge browser is not preferred by you and you want to set Adobe Reader as your default PDF viewer in Windows 11, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Before we move forward, I presume that you have already installed Adobe Reader application on your Windows 11 PC. In case you have not installed it yet, then you need to head over to the Microsoft Store and download it from there. Once done, the first method is by using a setting app, and for that you need to right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Now here you need to switch to apps tab on the left side, and then on the right side you need to select default apps. Now in the search box you need to type .pdf. You will find this result. You can see that Microsoft Edge is set to open .pdf files. Now you need to click on this option and you will see this dialog box. In case you are doing this for the first time, then it is possible that instead of seeing this dialog box you will get this first. Now in this dialog box you need to select switch it anyway, and then you will see this dialog box. Now here from the list of the applications, you need to select Adobe Acrobat DC. Now you can see that Adobe Reader is set as a default PDF viewer. You can see that the app icon is also changed. Open it and that's it. This time it will open in Adobe Reader. So the second method is by using Adobe Reader application, and for that you need to click on the search icon and type Adobe Acrobat. When it appears in the search results, click to open it. After installing the application, if you open Adobe Acrobat Reader for the first time, you will see this dialog box with a message that make Adobe Acrobat my default PDF application. Click yes, and this will set Adobe Reader as your default PDF viewer. In case due to any reason this dialog box won't appear, then no need to worry. Under home you will find this option. Click on this three dot icon and then select expand all. Now you need to click on this set as default button. Here you need to click on this change button and then select Adobe Acrobat DC from the list. Click OK, apply, OK, and that's it. You have successfully set Adobe Reader as your default PDF viewer. The third method is by using a PDF file. What you need to do is right click on this PDF file, select open with, and then select choose another app. Now here you need to select Adobe Acrobat DC and then select always use this app to open .pdf file. Click OK, and that's it. From now onwards all the PDF files will be open in Adobe Reader. So these are three ways using which you can set Adobe Reader as a default PDF viewer in Windows 11. Give it a try. If you have any query, feel free to drop in the comments. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.